Alright, we gotta pull everything out. We're gonna do his lip install, front lip and side skirts. How'd you put it in? With the front? God damn!
I got everything, boys. Everything.
What was right thumb?
Yeah.
There we go.
And then just here, open it up. Pull that up.
It bends, so it's fine.
Yeah. And then this is how I got it.
Here, I got it.
Oh, you got it?
Nice. Look at that polyurethane.
But I wanted.
Looks like an open mouth, but damn, that's gonna look good as shit. Ooh. You know what I noticed when you were coming up? You're already hitting the bumper. So when we put this on, we're gonna have to raise you some other way. I'm surprised, it means you're already low.
That's what I'm thinking. Like
You might have springs actually, let me peep.
Because it's not on stock for sure.
Yeah, it might be springs honestly. Nice. All I need is 20-inch wheels, or 19s actually, 19s, not 20. And then we got the J-pipe. Actually, you know what? If Alfred's home and we do your lip and it gets dark, we're gonna go to his house and do this. We have the lip on. That looks so badass. Soon the side skirts, then we're gonna drop it. Nice. That shit looking clean as hell. Nice. Alright, now we need you to do the left side. What? Oh, the thing was underneath it. Actually perfect. Here I might have to pull out a little bit.
No, that one.
Because if I pull it out, this should lay flatter. Peep that out, guys. Check that out. The lip is on. The side skirts are on. Gives the car a whole new stance. It looks aggressive. It looks good. I like it a lot. He loves it, but damn, I think I like it more. It looks so good. I can't wait to get my lip kit for my M4. But his looks good.